Hello, everybody!
Wow.
It's time! So, today,
It's time.
we are developing. We're frickin' doing it! I have started, so yesterday, I started developing, and I guess I should start by showing off what I got so far. So, obviously, all the assets are very placeholder right now. Hello, Charlie! Hi, Gillian! Paya! And I'll give you guys sort of a rundown of what I'm thinking the game will be like. So, this is what I got so far. I've just been working on basic movement and stuff. And getting that feeling right. Insane graphics. I know. Cutting edge. You're going to need the highest end CPU to be able to run this shit. Right now, he's just bobbing up and down. But I'm starting to feel pretty happy with how the movement's feeling. The movement is going to be very inspired by Hollow Knight. Like, you can press the button to do a very short hop or hold it to do a higher one. And I really like Hollow Knight does this thing really well where if you let go of the button midway through a jump, you like immediately start going down, and it feels really nice to control. I've sort of taken that a step further, and I want, inspired by Smash Bros, to have a sort of fast falling mechanic, so at any time in your jump you can press down to increase your fall speed. At the end of this month, patrons that are the Mycelium tier or higher are going to get to playtest this and tell me how the movement feels and stuff. But I figured today we would work on getting animations added, because I so far just have him doing these little bobs up and down, but I can do things like if it wants me to play this, could you play it? We've got a landing animation, which is just squashing and stretching really quickly right now. This is perfect. I don't know about perfect. I think we could do with a few more animations.
Nah.
Just these obviously aren't going to be the final animations. I'm going to be doing probably hand-drawn animations for everything, but we can at least start with getting some animations that give player feedback, essentially, which I am looking forward to. Oh, let's get... Hello, Ginger Snap. First time chat. Welcome. Gosh, game dev is so fun. I agree. It can be. There are parts that are annoying, and there's nothing like dealing with bug fixes that will make you want to jump out a window. But right now we're in the stage where nothing's gone super wrong yet, and I'm having fun. I wonder if is there a way I can increase the size of this so you guys can see the code a little better? Because I imagine this is very small for you on your screens. Tuned as hard as I could.
What?
Dancing on the edge, misunderstood. Damn, that's a
what
lot
is
of
this
code. Oh, Paya, this is one very basic file. We're gonna have hundreds of this shit. Now, how can I make this bigger? Perhaps view, editor layout.
That's what she said.
Oh yeah, there's going to be a lot of code. This is just the player movement script that I very basically set up yesterday. Appearance? Oh, zoom in, control plus equals. Oh, so I can zoom in and out like this. Aha!
Chat, is he echoing for anyone else? Or is it just me?
I'm echoing?
I can hear him twice. Yeah, on the stream.
Is anyone else experiencing that? Working on a combat system for my game. It's about halfway done and I have like 1,000 lines. Yeah. Okay, everyone else is saying no echo, babe. That's on you.
Damn, okay.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Just embarrass me like that. That's
Hi,
fine.
Winky. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this is okay for you guys. I'll make the output and everything a bit smaller, but this should let you see it. Not that... I'm sure to a lot of you, all this means absolutely nothing.
I know what this means.
Really,
I did
babe?
coding.
Alright, explain...
No.
Explain to me my fast falling logic. Go for it.
No.
I should get my friend to watch your stuff, Liam. He likes coding and would probably love watching this process. Get them in here. Get them in here. Get them following. I'm excited. Probably a part of me wants to learn about this, and then another part sees the coding part and just don't feel as convinced. Ooh, hydrate. That's the great thing. If you don't want to code, there are ways around it. You can do a lot of stuff visually. Oh lord. We're doing this, huh?
Yeah.
I know there are ways that you can basically... Okay, babe.
Yeah? What? I just care about
Now you've got everyone else doing it. Oh lord. I'm gonna have to go refill my water. What was I saying? Oh yeah. I like the coding like this. All feels very natural to me because that's what I went to school for. So I really enjoy this, but there are definitely ways where you can do visual coding, which is like it's all blocks that you can sort of set up and arrange like Lego. Jesus. But if you're part of a team, sometimes you don't have to touch the code because you have a dedicated programmer. So maybe you're just on the animation pipeline or the graphics pipeline. As a solo dev, I'm sort of on all of that. Although for this game, I will probably outsource the music entirely. I'm probably going to hire someone to just make me a soundtrack because that is like something that I'm very not good at. Okay, so what we want to do here. Can code like mediocrely, but I have to heavily rely on other people for art and music. And that's... I really wish I were better at working with people, because that is such a better way to do it, is to split up the tasks like that. You work on art, you work on... Excuse me, you work on music, I'll do the programming. But I am so bad at working with other people.
This is true.
What have we ever worked on together, babe?
Nothing. Exactly. Because you never let me help.
Okay, goodbye, Anello. Thanks for joining.
Oh, bye.
Bye. Okay, so it has been a long time since I worked with animation triggers. I've done one game jam, and I was on exclusively art. I hopped into coding when they needed it, but I was the same way, Paya.
What's Game Jam?
A game jam is like, it's an event that is held where you basically get a certain amount of time. Sometimes it's a day, sometimes it's a weekend, sometimes it's like 4 days, and you make a game with a team or by yourself, and then you submit it and stuff. Let me see if I can find the game I made for that. Oh, not Ith.io. What the heck? Itch.io, please. A jam made of games. Yeah, Charlie's got it. Shroom Goons? Aha, yes, this is it. So, like, I designed that logo. I guess there's not much. There I am. Art Liam Davidson. Yeah. It's not it's a functional game, but so it blows me away what some people can make in like 2 days. It can get absolutely crazy.
Didn't the creator of Peak just fly down to like California, whatever, and made the game in like 4 weeks?
That would not surprise me. That could definitely be done. I know games like Celeste started as a game jam project. Hollow Knight, the character was originally from a game jam game called Hungry Knight that they made. Okay, so let's see. How do I add a trigger for animation. Tell me. Yeah. I know how to actually add it. How do I add it in the script? No, I don't want you to change anything. Oh. Maybe I do. Some studios even began as a game jam team. Yeah, it's a great way to do things. It's stressful as hell, but it's a short stress. Okay, it's getting the animator, and then set trigger. Okay, that's what we want. He sat on me. AI generated game. I have just been playing around with the Copilot for the first time, and honestly, it is a huge game changer. I am loving it. It just cuts down on the tedium. Okay, so we want... Well, we'll probably have a jump one eventually, but for now, I want to add the landing logic. So, jumping... If it's jumping... Ooh, do we have several places for landing? We might. If grounded, reset. This is handled in jump. If is jumping. Okay, I want this in is jumping. Unless, wait. I need to make sure I know. I have a debugging thing set up so I can see. Excuse me, could you go back? Oh, it's just reloading the domain. Show me my game. I have a debug value set up so I can see when it is considered jumping. Let's make sure that that is doing what I want. Lure, he sat on me. I personally have some strong feelings regarding AI. As long as it remains fully regulated, I just don't get it. That's totally valid. I know everyone has very strong opinions on AI these days. Allie does as well.
Also, what is this song?
This is called Squat Ah. Hi, D&D Rookie. What game did I decide to make? Oh yeah, I never really explained that. So the game is going to be about, you are a, so it takes place in, like, bug society, or, like, small animal society, and you are a slime, designed to be able to, like, absorb elements from different animals and evolve and stuff, and you're going to be climbing the tree to defeat the evil termite queen, who's been taken over by a zombie fungus. And it's going to be all about, like, natural selection. So each level, you split up into 3 versions that inherit random traits that you have collected. And then you choose which one you want to go with. And then you try to make it through the level with that. And if you die, you lose that life and that build forever. And you have to take on one of the other ones. And it's going to be like a roguelike kind of thing. Hoping to do lots of random generation and stuff. But I've never done that before. So that'll be something to learn. Okay, where's the is jumping? So is jumping stops being true. OMG, Liam, you should make a little character and it's peanut butter and jam sandwich that dances.
Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly.
Cordyceps, that's what it's called, the zombie fungus. Yeah. Hold on. Is that how you spell it? Cordyceps? Yeah. Yeah, the zombie fungus. So it's going to be like you're going to fight all the enemies are going to be taken over by this zombie fungus. And then most of the enemies are going to be like beetles and mosquitoes and stuff like that. But then the bosses are going to be like a bird or a snake that's been taken over by this. I might even include some like custom like made up animals.
What the fuck?
People eat cordyceps? I did not know that. Oh, they're so weird. It's crazy that something like this actually exists. Ugh.
Blech.
Blech. Okay, so it looks like if we look down here, is jumping is only true when I'm holding the button. And I need like an is airborne. I need a way to detect when I go from not touching the ground to touching the ground.
What do you mean?
Secret boss is a human that ate some of the fungus? Ooh. That'd be cool. Like, you have to fight his hand as he tries to slap you or something. You should put some Last of Us Easter eggs in it. I know that the zombies in The Last of Us are, like, fungus-based, right? I've never actually, like, played or seen Last of Us, though.
Wow.
I know.
Okay, I haven't either.
Yeah, so maybe hold your tongue.
All I said was wow.
Yeah, but in a mean-sounding way.
That was my voice.
Alright, so let's see. Give me a function that is called when the character goes from airborne to grounded. Television. That's the television's holy mission. On landed. So when is on landed?
About your music taste.
Well, I can't play traditional music or I'll get copyright struck.
That's fair.
I wonder. I could probably find some like. There's got to be libraries of streamer music that are safe to use.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's going for the previous was grounded. I see. Hi, Liz! We are coding! Okay. Allie, I'm almost out of water!
What? That means dehydrated.
Yeah, but it means I'm gonna have to go refill, and then I'm gonna have to pee. Oh my god. Alright, I'm now out. You have to go. You have to entertain the people while I go refill.
I got you. Hi, chat. Pretend I just said a really funny joke. Like, pretend I'm entertaining y'all so much. Hi. Hello. Okay, bet? Yes, okay. Cool. I hope everyone's having a great day. And a joke about foxes? Yeah. I know, right? I am so funny. I have to do stand-up comedian as a living. You're so funny, guys. What's that such a funny joke I said? Gosh. Liam missed it, right? I look forward to this. I know Liam's missing out. Oh, but I'm so funny.
Huzzah.
Yeah, he always misses the good stuff. I can't believe he missed all of that. That was so fucking funny.
I left it the funniest part. What? Wait. What did I miss out on? Everyone's saying I missed something. Liam, you missed it? What did I miss? So did Allie... What?
It was so good.
Oh my god, Allie, what did you do? What am I gonna have to watch back later?
Nothing! I'm funny!
Okay. Thomas Jefferson, welcome home.
Oh, I don't think we can top that. I think we should just end stream. That was like the longest laugh. Yeah, the best laugh.
Okay, my guess is that you were like, guys, when he gets back, pretend that I was so funny and that he missed something really funny.
No.
rewatch the stream later? I could rewatch it right
Yeah.
now and see
Then
what I
you
missed.
watch it. Then do it.
And do it? Okay.
Then do it.
Can I do that? Never mind. I can't do that.
Oh, so you're the liar. Okay.
I guess I am. She should get into stand-up comedy for sure. Did you tell
Aww.
joke?
Hi,
Hi, Deanne.
Yeah. Yeah, I told her a joke about foxes. It was really funny.
What was the joke about foxes?
No, we don't get to hear it. You missed it. You went to go hydrate your water.
Liam, let me know if you want music for your game. I have some new stuff. I was just saying how I plan to outsource the music, like the soundtrack, because not really my thing. Blech. Too bad you can replay videos on YouTube. Oh, maybe I could do it on YouTube. Hold on. Let's go see
What?
YouTube. I might be able to watch it back on YouTube.
Oh, peek.
View channel. Alright, alright, channel. Oh. We're gonna mute that. Can I go back? Oh, I so can. Okay, hold on. We gotta pause the music for this.
Diane of Dawn
Posture
just
check, thank you.
redeemed posture check.
Okay, where did I leave? Left around... Aha.
Pretend you said a really funny joke. Like, pretend I'm entertaining y'all so much. Hi. Hello. Okay, bet? Yes, okay. Cool. I hope everyone's having a great day. A joke about foxes? Yeah. I know, right? I am so funny. I should do stand-up comedian as a living.
You should do a stand-up comedian?
So funny, guys, as a living. Is Liam watching his stream during his stream? Like funny joke I said? Gosh. Liam missed it, right? Record this.
I feel so betrayed. Why would you bamboozle me like this?
You told me to entertain them, so I did.
Oh, this is trippy. Yeah, that was hard for my poor little bean.
Why?
I don't know, it just was.
My voice is that bad? Okay.
No, it was just weird for me to
I would be
separate which
quiet.
was Allie talking in real time and the old Allie talking in the past. Yeah, the joke
Oh.
was just that funny.
Yeah.
What a comedian. Okay, this is the least productive I have been since I started this game. I sure hope streaming this is worth it. Alright, store
Probably not.
previous grounded state. Makes sense,
I mean, it gets some traction going for promotions for it.
that's true.
Get people aware of it. Yeah.
What coding language are you using? I am using C#. I didn't
Might be
like
flat.
the look of GD script, which is a big part of why I'm going with Unity, is it supports C# a lot better. I like my curly brackets. My curly brackets and my semicolons. Made my move. Okay, so it's saying on land is being called if was grounded is not true, but is grounded is true. Ah, thank you, Allie!
Alec
That's
123
apology for
just cheered
bamboozling you.
200
You
bits.
should add a reward that's hyper focus and it's 5 minutes of you full focus while maybe the chat tries their best to distract you. That is incredible. I am definitely adding a locked in reward. Hold on. I love that.
I use Scratch.
What?
We're talking about different codes we've used. That's it. I've used Scratch
Scratch is the blocks one,
and
right?
Python. Yeah. And I
Add
use Python.
a locked in redeem.
Even a tiny notebook. Oh.
I just picked it up yesterday. I filled out my old notebook, and the only notebooks they had were dog ones, so now I have a little dog notebook.
Oh, doggy.
Doggy.
You should paint over it.
C# is very similar to Java, Liz.
Have you used Python before?
No! It was really weird to me that in all my time in school, they never taught me Python.
Really?
Yeah,
Huh.
and I've never had a reason to use it. I thought I would use it all the time. I just don't do those kind of projects, I guess.
You
These
hate
are
Python?
small games
That's
and
one
animations from
I was taught
scratch.
with Python.
See, I was taught with JavaScript, and then... Well, actually, I was taught with... Oh god, what was it even called? It's the Apple coding language. Oh my god. Wow, I can't even remember what it
Apple?
was called. Apple coding language. It was something with an S. Swift.
Oh, night.
Yeah, it was Swift. Night night, Deanne. Xcode is what I learned to code in. Yeah, that's the tool that you use for it. But the
Taylor Swift?
Swift is like the Apple one. The concepts were pretty similar to oh my god, Taylor Swift. That took me a second.
Yeah, I did.
Alright, so each frame, it's going to say, make was grounded, is grounded. Then check the is grounded state and update that. If it wasn't grounded and now it is grounded, then we do landed. And haha! It actually picked up the trigger that I'd set. Awesome. So, let's see if that works. Theoretically, if this works, it should be when I land. I think I will get stuck in the landing animation right now, but let's just make sure that it's calling the trigger properly. So potentially when he lands, he's going to start spasming out and bouncing like crazy. Or maybe immediately, depending on what it initially sets. Yeah. Yeah, so he's on a little bit of cocaine, but it's okay. Wow. Maybe this should just be the game. You have to navigate while you're absolutely having a seizure. If we go to the animator, we'll see, yeah, it's just stuck in soft land. So let's start with it being grounded. I imagine it's setting was grounded to false initially. We'll just set is grounded to true to start. You said you're fighting bugs in this game? Yeah, bugs infected by like cordyceps, by zombie mushrooms. Why is was grounded over here? I hate that. Let's put that where it should be. Right after is grounded. And we'll set that to true initially. But what if? Oh, Pi's got an idea cooking. What you got? What you got for me? Okay, now, if I'm correct, this should start me in idle, and then only go into crazy mode once I jump once and land. Okay, we're in idle. Good. We jump, we land, and we go crazy. Let's go! What if as the slime kills and absorbs the enemies, it too starts to get infected? I really like that idea, but that seems really similar to Hollow Knight. The whole idea of Hollow Knight...
Spoilers!
What? The game's been out for like 6 years.
And?
And I'm not worried about spoilers.
You just spoiled me.
Paya, you are basically describing the plot of Hollow Knight. About the knight who was built to absorb the infection of all the others. It could work. But my whole thing was I wanted, like, nobody else can beat this this zombie infection because they just get infected as well. So they craft like a slime that is immune and won't be infected. But I like having a twist like that. Maybe there could be something like as you go on, yeah, acid slime basically. Like as you go on, you as you go on, you like start to mutate. Your genes start to like get all funky. Okay, so now we want, after the character soft lands, transition back into idle, I guess, for now. Just do that automatically. We need to set it to only play once, though. So, like that? Oh, no. It needs to be really quick, right? It should play out in its entirety. I guess, do I put that in here? Move this like that. Yeah. That should work. Play that. I kind of want it to like be a little softer than that. Right? Okay, let's just see if that works. Or like in the end they find out that acid slime is too strong and they try to destroy the weapon because there's no more use for it and it is the new threat. Oh, I like that idea of having it be like a cyclical game. So that there isn't a canonical ending and that's why you can play it over and over and over. Oh, we have landage. Wow, the way that immediately makes it feel so much more intuitive and look so much better. Oh, that feels good. Boing, 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 boing. And it seems to be working if I spam it. Heck yeah! Boing, 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 boing. Now I just need like a jumping animation. Yeah, it immediately looks so much more alive. I guess I should also have it turn around, shouldn't I? Yeah. Let's get that going. Alright. Right now, the sprite... Oh, I guess I should add a... Okay, add a reference to the child of this component, which holds the sprite. So we'll get a reference to the child, which is the actual visuals, and then, depending on which way we're looking, we'll flip it. So, like, in developing a game, the very first thing is coding all the mechanics. That is the way you should do it, I think, is that you, like, if I were doing this on my own and not letting anyone playtest it or anything, I probably wouldn't bother with these animations. I would just purely get the mechanics working first. I would just have a blank square be the character until the movement all feels correct. But since I'm going to have people playtesting this and I want them to tell me how the movement feels, I should add just these little tiny polish things. But yes, normally it is easier because you don't want any of your game logic to depend on the graphics. That's just a bad practice. So get all the game mechanics working and then add like the visuals on top of it like a skeleton. I think that's generally the accepted way that you're supposed to do things. Okay, why is that so far down? Well, I guess it's not really. Reference to the child game object holding the sprite. Public game object sprite child. On the start, if it's null and its child count is greater than 0, get the first child. That seems like a bad way to do it. I'm on the Patreon. Do I get to playtest? Yes, the Mycelium tier, the $10 and up tier, is going to get a playtest of this pretty soon, like probably next week. And then we'll be having meetings and I'll have a document set up for you guys to give feedback and stuff. Yeah, so this is very basic. This is just saying if it has a child, or no, if the component... okay. So I'm going to set this manually, but it's going to, if I don't set it manually and it has a transform, it's going to try to set it as the first child. So I just need to make sure that I have set it. So let's keep that. I don't like the sprite child name. We're going to... I think there's a way to refactor it. Change all occurrences. Yeah, we're going to change that to... if child, why parent? What? What does that mean? If child, why parent? I don't understand. We're going to call this... I guess just sprite object works. Right? Yeah, okay. I just realized how much happier I am watching this stream. I was watching something pretty sad before the stream, so thanks for being awesome, Liam. Let's go! We made someone's life better! Hell yeah! Stream is a success!
We can end it now.
No, we can end it now? We've made a positive impact. Why were you watching something sad? Programming language uses child. If child, why parent?
If child, why parent?
Do you understand what they're trying to say? If child, why parent?
I don't get it.
I have no idea. It was a meme in my friend group all throughout university that when you're working with trees, like graphs in programming, you call the nodes children. And there's this algorithm you use to like fix trees where you take the child and you rotate it around an axis. And so when you're trying to fix it, you say rotate the problematic child. And we just thought that was the funniest thing. So anytime anyone was being like difficult or mean, we would just rotate them and be like, rotate the problematic child. Seems like a great parenting technique.
Guys, it isn't helping. Guys.
If, then, etc., that vibe? You people are melting my brain. What are you talking about? Accident, I'm going full goon.
Oh my god. Paige. Stop
What?
tuning.
What? I'm not on TikTok right now. I can do whatever I want.
Now play real music.
No, because YouTube doesn't like real music. YouTube is okay with me saying boob, but play someone else's music and I'm out of there. Who's Dave Bautista? That sounds familiar.
Your mom.
Allie, I swear to God. I was watching something from the channel Save a Fox. Sounds like something Allie would like.
What?
Save a Fox.
That sounds so sad.
Okay, let's add this manually.
Okay, guys. That poll didn't help.
What?
I sent out a poll asking what should I have for dinner. And it's 50-50.
Sushi and wings? Equally? My vote is on sushi.
Of course it is.
Your sister will just steal your wings. He's the
You're
guy
so
from
right.
Guardians of Galaxy. Kinda dumb character that likes Mantis. Oh, Drax!
Drax!
Oh, the actor's name is Dave Bautista. I see.
Oh.
If X and Y, then Z in programming. Also, the hierarchy is defined as parenting this and that to a parent node. And also, if deadly, Y friend shaped. So, if child, Y parent.
Oh, I get it. That's funny.
It's starting to make sense. Vaguely.
Only for soul.
Okay, so here I have sprite object. We will, I think I can just drag this in there, right? Yoink, and
Yoink! Oh, you said Sebastian line.
yeah, definitely. Oh boy, here we go.
I don't have enough points to do it again, so we're spared.
Good.
Well, fuck you.
How'd you do it again? You lied to me.
I didn't look at you. I had 1,000 left.
Hey, Allie, if your wings get stolen, drink Red Bull. It's true. I hear Red Bull gives you wings.
Chloe does have Red Bull. I can steal her Red Bull. Actually, I want a Red Bull right now. I'm gonna go steal one.
Boom, boom. Okay, now split. No, flip. Flip the sprite object based on the current x velocity.
Bro.
Here we go.
Peak. Yes.
Allie's mission today is to hydrate Liam as much as possible.
Mhm,
That's
mhm.
always her mission.
But yeah, I like taking care of him.
Oh, I said
Even if
okay.
that
Now
means
flip the
accidentally
flip.
waterboarding him.
Well, okay. Maybe we could stop at waterboarding. If you're waterboarding me, assume that I'm hydrated enough. Is that okay? I thought you said you didn't have more points. You're
No, I
insane.
don't.
The base sprite is facing right. Boom, 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 boom,
No, it's
boom,
done, done,
boom,
done.
boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah, I guess we want to do that in fixed update. Okay, if sprite object is not null, so it does exist. Ah! Let vertical x equal the velocity of x. If the absolute velocity of x. Why do we want that? Oh, so that's just saying if it's moving at all. She's just built different. She picks up scrap points to redeem hydrate. Then get the scale. Let the scale equal the sprite object's transform and local scale. Scale.x. So this is a vector 3. So the x portion of the vector, let that equal the current velocity. If it's greater than x, make it the absolute. Otherwise, make it the negative absolute. I don't... We just want it to be... Oh, okay, that's not the... It's not the velocity, it's just flipping it. Good. This seems good. We'll keep that. Let's see if that works. And then eventually I'll need to have like a turnaround animation that I call. But for now, it should be a very simple flip the sprite deal. Well, that ain't working. Ooh, I wonder if I could have different levels of landing based on how hard you hit the ground. Probably. Oh, it's so fun just to go around and jump now that there's an instinct to bounce right after you land. There's an instinct to like jump after the bounce. My brain is melted by all this technical mathy stuff. Yup, same here. Believe me. So that is not flipping.
No flip.
We're not getting any errors.
Can you go for me?
I'm surprised that Liam said all that complex conditioning stuff to program while on the same breath not getting the previous joke. Am I the problem?
Yes. Robin,
What?
if you jump off the edge,
Right
well,
now,
you probably die.
you fall for eternity. Whee! This is the slime's existence now. Are you glad you condemned him to this? Are you happy? Is this what you wanted? No, I don't have any like death plane or anything right now. So it's not flipping.
You have a flip animation?
Well, I don't have a flip animation, but it should just be... Oh. I think it's because
I've been falling for 20. Is it 20 minutes? Oh, it's 30. I've been falling for 30 minutes.
crap. I know what the issue is.
It's you.
Yes. And it
Yes.
should be... So I'm pretty sure it's because I am setting the scale in the animations that I have set up. So like the idle animation, which means as soon as it tries to flip it, the animation flips it back. So what I need to do is give it a parent. So in
Oh, mom or
character-
dad?
Your choice. What should we do?
Mother.
Mother? All right. We'll create a game object and call it sprite, or maybe just like character visuals.
The mom's name is Sprite? That's a weird name.
It was a brand deal thing. Make that a child, and then hopefully that shouldn't mess up the animations, and we can just set sprite object to character visuals. Let's try that. Please let the animations not break. Come on, come on. It's reloading for a bit. Any day now.
Colors aren't real.
Colors aren't real? Oh! He's flipping, but the animations did break. Unfortunate. So. One step forward, one step back. Just means we have a new problem to fix. But I do like that I can flip... Oh, look, if I go really fast, I can give him 2 eyes.
That's
You're about to be
nice,
very
honey.
condescending. I can just tell. Okay. We get the front view? Yeah, the cursed front view. Well, I do want him to only have 1 eye. I guess, yeah, it kind of looks like he's just side view of 2 eyes, but I just want him to have the 1 eye. Okay, well, let's commit this. Say... What is this? Cursed front view is crazy. Bob? Oh yeah, we need like a temporary name for him.
Mike. Oh,
It definitely
Bob.
can't be Bob because there's already a one-eyed slime named Bob. Blob? Blob seems generic.
Mike.
Mike? Could be Mike. Although it's a one-eyed monster that is green named Mike. I don't know about that, babe.
Sebastian.
I don't know of any characters named Sebastian. Got the character to flip based on Michael Afton. That's a FNAF thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
To flip
Sebastian.
based on velocity. However, this has broken the previously made animations. Alright, we'll save that. I made like a, hold on, I'm gonna go get this, because I did make a concept art of the slime. 1 sec.
Is he gone? Oh my gosh. Guys. Hi. Aren't I so much better than him? Y'all are here for me, aren't you? Mwah. Hi. Oh.
Did she say to pretend that she was hilarious again?
Oh.
I was just running to grab my iPad. I was going to... No, ... Makes me think
Oh.
that maybe she did.
No.
Liam? What?
Mm.
What the heck does that mean?
They're here for me, babe. I'm sorry.
Here's like some concept art I did for what the slime could look like.
Babe, have you ever heard of SCP-999?
Oh, that's the blob that smells nice, right?
No, that's the slime that makes everyone happy all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't just smell nice. It looks like that, but
It has an eye.
red. I think so.
SCP-999? I thought it was just like a
Maybe.
rust-colored blob.
I see.
SCP-999.
Nice.
Oh, it has
Oh,
two eyes.
Speaking of, oh.
It is very cute, though. Look at that.
Yum.
Wow, the fourth result is Vor. That did not take long. Yum?
I say sarcastically.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying we couldn't name this character Bob, because there's already this one-eyed blob named Bob. Isn't this Seth Rogen in Monsters vs. Aliens? Doesn't Seth Rogen voice
so.
this? How did you make your green screen? That's the neat part. I didn't. I bought one that was too big because the ceiling in this room is so short. So I got one that's like retractable off Amazon, so you can just easily move it up and down. It's been awesome. But yeah, this was like a concept art. I also did a pixel art version of maybe how I could render the slime. But I really like this design, and I might have to iterate off of this. I don't know what art style I'm gonna go for. I'm thinking though some vector kind of thing like this. I like the look of this.
Mm-hmm.
Can you send me the link in Discord later? I'm needing one for self-tape auditions. Yeah. Love me some pixel art. Pixel art would be great, except it would take a very, very long time to do animations. Whereas,
Really?
oh yeah. Well, I'd have to hand draw every frame. Whereas if I were to do vector, I could rig this up to mathematically, like, through code, animate. And I do want him to have, like, squishy physics, which could take a bit. Okay, that can go away now. So now we have to fix the animations. I like that art style. Which one? The clean lines? Not the pixel art one? That's the one I'm leaning towards. Animation, character. Can I just relink this? Or do I have to... The game object or component is missing. I can't just relink it, can I? Crud. I have to remake the animations. Well, that's why we aren't precious with it. So let's do character soft land. Would it be hard to make it translucent? No? To make it translucent? That's harder in 3D. In 2D, it wouldn't be very difficult at all. I don't think so. Yeah, I like the idea of having the eye be inside the slime. And then, since it's going to be like you're swapping out your bodies, the eye could just like fall into a different slime, and then that's your new set of abilities. And that I could very easily like rig it up with some invisible springs and stuff, so it looks like jelly inside. That might be the play. I remember during one of Orr's Hamilton reactions, the green screen took out Casper's Hawlucha wing color, and they didn't notice until Mortius's hand appeared on Casper's camera. Yeah, that's the idea. Buddy is the eye. Actually, this was partially inspired by... I can bring this back up. So, drawing really helps me, like... Drawing and going on walks is what really helps me focus and think about things. Like ideas for games. So something I was doodling a lot while I was thinking up ideas for this game was this, which is like I was coming up with I wanted like a vampire substitute for my world, like something to fill that niche that wasn't a vampire, something that like is transferable and people fear. And I came up with this like Slimeborn or like Slimekin kind of creature, where the queen implants in your brain and then you control the colony of slime inside of you. And then I was like, ooh. So this is what I was doodling while I was coming up with what I could do for that. And then also it was originally based on I like to make fantasy creatures, and one of them is I guess I should bring that back up. One of them is, where is he? Ah. So this is like a fantasy animal that's the actual animal is this like eyeball in the center and these series of organs attached to it, but then it controls the slime around it via all these little veins. And I was thinking something similar, like the actual character is just the eye. It's the same way that you are just your brain piloting this like meat flesh mech. You could just swap out your bodies, but you are the eye. So there's a little dive into my process for y'all. Do I really have to remake? I can't just relink these. What did that just do? Did I just try to open it or something? Let's see. Unity relink properties in animation. Relinking these properties involves reestablishing the path. Okay, how do I do that? I can just remove the property. Can I? Oh, wait. Can I do that? If I just change this to character visuals. Oh, is that all it takes? Character visuals. Will that work now? Welcome back, babe.
You.
Oh wait, but now it's gonna try to. We're gonna have the same issue as before. So the animations are back, but it's not flipping. Okay, I know what I've messed up. I have to do character visuals dot square. Would that work? How do I point to the child? Character visuals dot square. Position missing. How do I do the path? Oh. This would be a literal path, so instead of a dot, I would use slash. Character visuals slash square. Yes! And then we'll change this to also slash square. I have a funny story. Let her rip, Charlie. Entertain me. Okay. Now this should work. Well, he's not idling. But he is landing. And squishy. Heck yeah. Look at that. Look at him go. Guys, we're being productive. Hooray. Bloop. Bloop. Oh, he feels
Yay!
so nice and squishy. Okay, he does feel really good to control. I'm very happy about this. I should definitely introduce some sort of, like, triple jump mechanic like in Mario, because it feels like you should be getting extra height after you bounce like that. And I need to add, like, a hard landing animation when you do the fast fall. Because there's regular fall, which is that, and then you can do fast fall. Really plummet.
I feel like you should be able to, like, bounce after, like, soft landing, but not bounce when you are hard landing.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. If you land too hard, you
Mhm.
won't bounce. Or should it be the other way around? If you don't land with much force, you won't bounce up with much force. But if you do a hard
If
landing,
you-
you can bounce higher.
If you hard land and hold it down and then let go, maybe. But
Oh,
if you just
yeah.
do a hard land, yeah.
If you store it up.
Mm-hmm.
Cursed view. Now I need to get the idle animation rigged. Animation character idle. Change this to Bleh. Will there be double jump? Yeah, double jump will be one of the like genes that you can get. So if you kill like, I don't know, a mosquito or a bird or something that can fly, maybe, you will get like you can one of the abilities you could absorb from that would be like a winged double jump. This is character visuals dot not dot slash square. We're just gonna copy that, paste it there, and now let's make sure that works. My friend at 2 a.m. said they were a potato, and I replied, "That's beautiful, Katie," referencing a meme. And now our group chat is called Katie and Friends. The funniest part is that it was completely unintentional for it to go this far. That's the best kind of in-joke, though, is the ones that come from absolutely nowhere. I guess I kind of need, like, a running animation, but that's hard to do with just a square. I should get a jump animation going, too.
A
Jumping
run
and falling.
animation.
Yeah, if I had, I love that it works when you just go off. The bouncing still works. I should get a blink animation as well. Okay, what was I?
So one thing at a time.
Yeah, one thing at a time.
You're working on the soft and hard landings.
First thing I need to do is commit this work that I just did. Fixed the animations, and they now work with the
Meow meow.
character flipping. Check that
So
in.
the trainee I am training, her numbers for her like part numbers end with 666, and we have a very religious coworker
Oh
named Susie.
no. Do they
And
think that
when
your
she's-
trainee is the Antichrist?
Devil. Yeah. She's like, you should get those numbers changed. You can do that, you know. Those are really bad numbers. I will pray for your soul tonight.
Those are really bad numbers. It's so funny.
And she's like, no, I'm keeping them.
Okay. How can we
I
make
got
a
okay, I'll go get a Red Bull.
how can we make a running animation? Let's just call this I guess he doesn't run. We'll call it running anyway.
Sliding animation.
Oh yeah, although I might want like an actual slide mechanic. He slides with style. It'd be nice if I could skew him, but I don't think I can skew him. We'll name this character running. There might be a way to skew him.
When he's running, he should turn into a circle to make like
To
so he can roll
roll?
faster. Mm-hmm.
Ooh. I don't have a good way to transition between square and circle is a problem. So he would just sort of hop into
I mean,
that.
if he's a blob, it would be a smoother animation.
Yeah, true. This is just the rough visuals, I guess. Okay, what could I... Could it be possible to
I
leave
hate
a
that
slime
word.
trail or something behind him during running? Ooh, that's definitely a visual I could implement later. Right now we're just working on the movement and basic animations, so it probably won't add a slime trail. But
I know what you should add.
what?
Foxes. Everything should just be foxes.
You just want everything to be foxes?
Yes. Yes. Am I right, guys?
Will you
Am I
break
right,
up with
guys?
me if
Am I
my
right?
game is not entirely foxes? Murdery and
No.
me. You thought way too hard about that. Unity 2D skew. How do we do that? Also known as shearing.
Oh, I like that, Paya.
What? Imagine if the stamina was measured by his shape getting smaller, and once you stop, the slime you left behind catches up and you recover. Oh, wait!
That's really good.
That's
idea.
a great way to show health, yeah. Is your physical like slime form diminishes. And then when you're on like your last sliver of health, it's the eyeball and then just a tiny little bit of slime around it. I like that. It's like Mario getting smaller when he's hit.
I don't think you should be referencing Mario. You might get sued.
Oh, you're right.
Just saying.
Nintendo's gonna break down my door.
FBI, open up!
Manipulate the sprite mesh vertices. Can I do that with a primitive square? Open the sprite editor.
Maya.
Nintendo don't
Nintendo
sue.
don't sue.
It's not Mario, it's Maria. Yeah. Mega Maria. Definitely not Super
Oh.
Mario. What is... This is the skinning editor? Is that what I want? Ah! Alright, that's too much for right now. Same exact thought. FBI, open up! I'm just looking at potential ways to do this. Yeah, I want to actually skew it, not fake the effect. Wanted to adjust the sprite's corners. Okay, what's this? Is it a fucking Rickroll? What is... Oh, they're using a shader. Are they going to show how that's done? That's too much for basic visuals. I don't need that. What's this music? It sounds like K-pop Demon Hunters. This is, I appreciate your verticalness. We're going up, 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 it's our moment. You know, together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Whoa. 2D skew shader. Yeah, I could do a skew shader, but I don't want to make a shader that I'm going to scrap later. Shaders are so much work. I guess Godot was the one that allowed the skewing really easily. The sacrifices we make. If I were to just like, maybe he just like vibrates when he moves. Sprite sort point. Mask interaction, draw mode. Yeah, there's no easy way to do this. If I open up the square, it's just a square. I could rotate it in 3D space. Whee! Whenever I listen to Golden, I think of that secret snippet Jorge gave to his top Spotify listeners. Is that the Aphrodite one? Via the Game of Thrones reference. That was such a wild way to start a show. The things I do for love. Ugh, now I want to listen to Golden, but I can't do that on stream, because friggin' Rumi will come slice me open. Wait a second. There's a flip? Oh, that's just for the one sprite. Really no easy way to do this. Rec tool? Wait. Oh, no. I thought you would be the one. I guess it does say rec tool. Create spleen, I don't need that. On dairy, wheeze, and burn and weave. Okay. I guess our run animation will simply be... What should our run animation be? Just a fast vibrate? Fast jiggle? Yeah. I think that might just be the way to go. Imagine the slime tries to move, but its slime gets stuck and it's shot backwards like a cartoon. That was something I imagined as a potential movement tech. Like you can stick a pseudopod to something and then pull back and launch. I don't know if I want to go full physics, though. Well, I really kind of do. How I programmed my first game. Definitely gave me headaches, but... It's a slime. Physically speaking, it would be really stretched, its head pointing forward. That's what I want to do, is just, like, skew it, like make it go like that, so that it looks like it's moving that way. But I can't do that without... Unless there's like a... This were After Effects or something, this would be so easy. Let's look up Unity Warp Mesh. It's the kind of thing I would use. Warping a mesh. 2D. The vertices of a mesh object. Yes, yes, yes. How do you spell physics?
PH.
Yeah, like this. Physics.
Physics.
Look at you, babe. You're so smart.
I totally didn't use autocorrect.
What's warp grid? Oh,
In
it's
this
kinda
video, I
promising.
will explain how to use the Warp Grid asset for Unity, and most of the available features.
Oh,
Warp
I like the
Grid
look of
is
this.
a component that acts like a sprite renderer, but allows you to quickly apply some warping to the image directly in the scene view, without any need for creating individual asset files.
Yes,
this can be
please.
especially useful if you have a background image and you want to add some variation to it without having to create more textures, and without needing to leave the editor. Warp Grid provides a simple
I'm
grid-based
okay to
system
watch this on stream, right?
Yeah, you're basically reacting to it.
Okay.
in which you cut an image into any number of rows and columns. You can then move the points around and change their color using the various provided tools in the scene view. Under the hood, it efficiently generates a triangle mesh for your warped grid, which you can apply any material you like to. Let's have a look at how to actually use the warp grid component. Create an empty game object in your scene and add the warp grid component to it. It will warn you that you haven't selected a texture yet. So let's
watching a video about
Add-
coding.
All right, class. We're gonna watch a coding video today. Heck yeah, we are. Do I want to do this in character visuals? If I do this, let's just watch the whole video first, and then I'll know if I need to do things a certain way. Blech. Please come back. Thanks for cheering, Allie.
Alec 123 just cheered 39 bits.
Who is that at the end?
I don't know.
What the heck?
It's a man.
Okay.
Let's do that. I'll choose this rope here. Unsurprisingly, it shows up in the scene view, just like a sprite renderer. Ignoring all the other settings for now, let's click the Edit button at the top. Now we have a
Wait. Where did he add that?
component to it. It will warn you that you haven't selected a texture yet, so let's do that. I'll choose this rope here.
Oh.
Unsurprisingly, it shows up in the scene view, just like a sprite renderer. Ignoring
I
all the
wanted
other
to
settings for now, let's click the Edit button at the
warp
top.
everything
Now we have a
under
totally
it.
different view of the inspector. By default, our image has only 4 grid points, which appear as red or green dots when I hover the mouse over them. Since the drag tool is currently selected, I can left-click and drag these 4 points to warp the image. That's pretty cool, but let's take it a bit further and add more points to the warp grid.
What?
I don't know. Just moving around the rope was really funny.
In the inspector, I'll expand the resample tool and click set to double a few times to increase the grid resolution. I could also just type in the exact width and height I want into the new width and new height boxes. You can see a preview in red of the new grid in the scene view. I'll click the resample button to apply it. Now if I hover the mouse over the grid, you'll see that there's a lot more red and green dots. Now look what happens when I use the drag tool on these points. You can see that the red-green color of each dot indicates how much that point will be affected by the brush. You will see that the inspector mentions several shortcuts. When you're in edit mode, all you need to do is hover the mouse over the scene view and press the shortcut key. For example, if I hold down the R key, I can move the mouse left and right to change the radius of the brush without having to touch the inspector. I can also move one point at a time by selecting the point brush in the editor, or even better, by holding down the B key. A pie menu
B.
pops up and I can move the mouse over the point brush and let go of B to select it. Now the brush only affects a single point in the grid at a
Love you,
time.
babe.
The point brush also allows you to set a grid snap spacing or interval, which takes effect when holding down Shift. Let's try out the paint tool now, by selecting it in the inspector, or again by using a pie menu. Press and hold T with the mouse over the scene view, and select the paint tool. This lets you change the color of points in the grid using the same brushes as were provided with the drag tool. Note that this simply sets the vertex color, which needs to be handled by the shader you are using. By default, Warp Grid uses the sprite's default shader, just like the sprite renderer component, which multiplies or tints the image color by the vertex color.
Proper
This
name,
means white
placing,
vertices make no change to the image color, and red
backstory
vertices, for example,
stuff.
erase any green and blue while leaving the red alone. If you hold the control key while painting, it will erase parts of the image by decreasing the value of the alpha channel, and you can un-erase by holding down control and shift together.
Okay, I get
If I
this,
select the
but
edge brush,
how
you will
do I
see that
make
it
it
affects
do
all points on the
everything
current column
under?
or row of points that you are hovering over.
mean
I like
everything
using this to
under?
fade out the entire edge of a
I want
background
it
texture
to
to make it
not
seamlessly
just
blend
do
with
it to
another instance
one,
of
I
the
want
same
it to
texture.
apply to
With this dirt texture here, I can also use the paint tool to make it less repetitive with
bunch
some
of
simple
them.
color variations. Now let's try out the smooth tool. To demonstrate it,
like he's only able to do this for one image, it looks like, but I want it to affect all the images under it at once.
I'll use the drag tool to really mess up the grid and create a tangle of points and overlapping triangles that would be very
Is
difficult
there
to
a way to,
unravel
like,
with the drag
select
tool.
all?
Now I'll switch to the smooth tool, and you can see when I brush the vertices, they return to a sensible configuration. You can adjust the strength of the smooth tool in the inspector, or by holding down the S key in the scene view and moving the mouse left for less smoothing or right for more smoothing. Let's move on to how to create your own grid layout. Often creating a really high resolution grid isn't really what you want, and of course you'll want to avoid having more triangles in the mesh than you need. Warp Grid gives you the ability to cut the image into whatever size columns and rows you'd like. I'll use the resample tool again to bring the resolution of the grid down to 2 by 2. Now I'll select the cut tool and hover over an edge of the grid. A preview of the cut will be shown in green. I'll click somewhere on the top edge to create a new column of points, dividing the image into 2 quads. You can then use the drag tool to warp the 2 sides of the image in isolation, and you can also paint the newly introduced points from the cut. I'll make a few more cuts and switch to the delete tool. I can use the delete tool to merge 2 columns or rows of grid cells into one. It's basically the opposite of
I'm
the cut
sorry,
tool. If
Ali.
you make a cut, you can delete it with this tool. Delete has one extra bonus feature though, which is that you can crop the image. Now for the lucky last tool, the nudge tool. I can use this to adjust exactly where on the image a row or column lies. To be precise, it adjusts the UV-X coordinate associated with a column, or the UV-Y
that's
coordinate
cool.
associated with a row in the grid. It's not so easy to explain with words, but as you can see, I can push the texture back and forth between 2 adjacent columns or rows. Like the delete tool, the nudge tool also lets you adjust cropping on the image by nudging the edges at the sides of the grid. If I use the delete tool to crop the image, I can use the nudge tool to drag the cropped part of the image back into view. In edit mode, we also have access to the subdivide button, which basically doubles the resolution of the grid by adding a
Actual
new row
properties,
halfway between all existing
material.
rows and a new column between all existing columns. The align scene view button is
I want to see if the comments ask about it.
button is particularly
I'm looking
useful
for.
when you are using Warp Grid in a 3D scene. It will point the scene view camera directly at the face of the grid, so you don't have to edit it from an angle. That's all of the edit mode features covered, so I'll now exit edit mode and go over the available properties. We've already used the texture property. The color property just tints the entire mesh at once, like in the sprite renderer component, and sorting layer and sorting order are also the same as in sprite renderer. When the material property is not set to anything,
Yeah, this doesn't look like what I'm trying to do exactly. I also think that's a thing you have to buy. Mesh deformation? Yeah. It probably wants me to use bones and shit. Freeform deformation.
Sorry, my sister called me.
How dare she?
I know, right? How dare she?
Warp mesh 2D that affects multiple sprites.
Why can't you just do it one by one?
Because that'd be hard.
Aw, well, baby.
Oh, mesh renderer?
Aw.
What's the mesh renderer? That sounds good.
I wouldn't trust AI overview, babe.
You're crazy.
No, you're freaky.
Mesh renderer 2D, please? If that exists.
No, because it's AI overview.
Except it looks like it's correct. Smile and wave, boys. Just smile and wave. This is... Liam is learning new things. You can programmatically generate and modify 2D meshes at runtime. Ooh. I like that. Hydrate. Just gonna leave that there. Okay.
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 Hi, Chip. Hi, Chip. Oh, yes, Chip. Yes.
What?
I'm out of points. Chip, come on, Chip. Come on.
Where are you sit? What? Chip? Winky, goddamn it, people! Why must you do this all at once? Ah!
Chug, 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 chug.
Unity. Oh my god!
Hi, Chip. I'm a big fan. I'm your #1 fan. Boy, it's crazy.
Not hitting me with a good boy.
No.
Ah.
Boy. Yeah, good boy.
Oh my god. You people are crazy.
No, we're not.
Oh, thank god. Ugh. No, they finally ended. It's okay.
Guys, one more.
Mesh.combine meshes? Poof, poof.
Oh.
Excuse me.
You're excused.
Combine
No, me
instance.
neither.
Let's combine instance. Got no more points? Y'all just wasted all your points on making me drink water, you fools. Okay, we're not gonna fuck with combining meshes and shit right now. I'm getting too bogged down in visuals when I need to be focused on the mechanics. So what I should do is just create a jumping animation. For you, character. I guess the running should be. We weren't wasting them. We were taking care of you. No, you were taking care of me for the first 3 drinks. After that, it was excessive. 1 bit to drink again.
Chip Blue just cheered 1 bit.
For 1 bit, I will swallow my spit. Congrats.
Ew, think again.
That's the best you get. Oh, okay.
Chip Blue just cheered 1 bit.
Now we want...
The same chug the water.
Chip Blue just cheered 1 bit.
Happy.
No,
You're never happy.
I'm always happy.
Drink your spit 5 times? That's really
Chip Blue
creepy,
just
Chip.
cheered 5 bits.
I'll take a drink for you, but that's it. Can you not just buy channel points?
No, you can't.
Alec 123 just cheered 6 bits.
Alup 123. So we want square.
Oh.
Oh. That changes the vibe of the song dramatically.
Yeah.
Bark for us?
Chip Blue just cheered 20 bits.
Bark like you want it. Bark like you want it, baby.
Arr, arr.
Clip that, clip that, clip that. Clip it.
Let everyone know they can get Liam to bark. Yeah, great idea. Well, that's not a request. That's just you're,
Chip Blue just
you're
cheered 30
stating
bits.
I'm a sheep. Sure, I'll take it. Meh.
This is wild. This is.
Thank you for the bits.
Oh, I hated that.
I thought that was pretty good. We want to add position property. Well, I want to add a position property.
There we go.
Add
I'm
key
feeling consequence.
and a scale property. Add key.
Scale. D&D.
Oh my god. OMG, that hurt my ears. What did? Are the alerts still super loud?
Yeah.
What the heck? I made them softer.
No, you didn't.
Okay, that should make them very quiet. Or actually, I think I have to go and do that through Twitch, which I thought I did. Here's the rest of my bits. You deserve it. Thank you, Chip. Oh my god, Allie, calm down.
No.
Alec 123 just
Chill.
cheered
That's not what to
42
do.
bits.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You told me to chill. Oh my god.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
How dare you? How fucking dare you?
Man, I'm sorry.
Man, I'm sorry.
Okay, so we are going to scale this up a bit. Scale this down a bit. Right? Only a tiny bit, I think. And move this up.
Alec 123
Babe, you're-
just cheered 200 bits.
Cheering and telling me not to do the thing that made you cheer is counterintuitive. Also, yes, we are in a call on Discord. Which does mean that she has access to the soundboard. Thank you so much for reminding her about that, Paya. Oh wait, that was Charlie. I'm sorry, Paya. I didn't mean to falsely incriminate you. Okay, that looks like good movement, honestly. We just have to now. That's what, 1, 2, 3 frames. 1, 2, 3, and then we take this, copy and paste, play it. Okay, that's maybe a little fast. Did someone clip the bark? Better not have.
Mm-hmm.
Is that too fast for when he's moving? I guess we'll see.
Can I go swimming?
Can I go swimming?
Can I go swimming?
Okay, now we need to have... Well, first, let's save this. And say, made a moving... Or, I guess we call it a running animation. Meow. And... Okay. Decent moving animation. Now we just need... parameter, which is a float. Guys, he's meowing for free. Yeah, that was a little taste. You gotta pay for more. Although it's very hard to not do it when you spam that. That's a very addicting noise. New float, we'll call this horizontal velocity. Is Is that another soundboard or is that your actual cat? Okay, horizontal
That is
velocity.
soundboard.
We'll say. Oh, we need an is grounded as well for bool. Is grounded. And now we gotta hop back into the script and say,
You know, I have so many soundboards, but I do not know what they sound like. So it's really,
are you sure
I'm
you want to
very limited.
test them live?
yeah, I know. I have a bunch of K-pop Demon Hunter ones.
Really?
Yeah. Hmm.
Ones that would get us banned?
No.
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 I want. Where's the freaking? Oh, that's the animator. Do I just get it through animator?
Hello,
Oh,
princess.
princess!
Oh, princess.
You can run, but you cannot hide, princess. Where are you?
Oh, princess.
Oh, princess.
So I guess at the end of each update or each fixed update, do we want to update the grounded?
Hey, princess.
Let's try it here first. So slash update animator properties based on state. Do you just have a bunch of random cat noises on the soundboard?
Yeah.
Why?
I know. I'm in 200 servers, babe. It's not my fault.
Fair enough.
I also have Angry Meow.
Set float. Int ID. The ID can be a string though, can't it?
No.
It looks like it can.
No.
We want horizontal velocity. Math.absolute. I don't want it to be absolute because I want the direction as well. And we want the input. No, we just want the actual value. The actual move speed value, right? Gonna make a protein shake? Hell yeah, get those gains.
No, now I want a smoothie.
Rigid body dot. Oh, I guess I do want this to be in fixed update then. Linear velocity X. Yes.
X. Why are you talking about X's? Huh? What's the name?
It's because you're not enough for me, clearly. Why else would I bring up X's on stream? I'm kidding, you're my everything. At the very end of fixed update. Gooned as hard as I could, dancing on the edge, misunderstood. Okay, let's actually fix that. Update animator properties based on say animator set float. Yes. Animator. All right, it knows what I'm looking for there. We'll add that eventually. That should be enough.
Unlike me, apparently.
Oh my god.
Can't
Can't make jokes around this lady.
Wow, so I'm not funny.
What? No, I can't make jokes around you because I don't have to because you're so funny. You provide all the jokes.
Just alright, good. Yeah.
Saved it.
You did it so well. Good job, babe.
Edge me till I bust. Okay, character running. We want to be able to transition to that from any state. And the conditions for that should be horizontal velocity is greater than 0. And we are grounded. Oh, then it won't do it for the other direction. So I do want speed.
Ciao.
Ka-choo. Okay. Let's get horizontal speed in here. Horizontal.
I want to play Date to Everything again, but what's the point if I already did the love ending with Bolt and Eddie?
That's all you needed?
That's all I needed. I need more, but it's fine.
What do you mean you need more? They're not enough for you?
Bolt and Eddie.
Ah,
No, I
you need
need
more of
more.
them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we also want to set animator dot set float. But I want horizontal speed.
The stars in the black ink. Tell me what is and tell me what.
Speed. Yes, there you go. The absolute. The absolute of the velocity, please. Frickin' frick. That keeps messing me up. Keeps like scaring me.
Right.
Rawr. Drip for Dracula, thick and slow. Let's try that, I guess. Oh, wait, no. I need to... Come on. Okay. So if horizontal speed is greater than 0, well, we'll say greater than 0.01. Transition into moving. And the transition should be pretty short. Right? Yeah. From any state to that, and character running should be able to transition into idle. I guess idle should just be any state if... Wait, what is... we should just be able to get rid of that safely. Right? Yep. Okay. And then character idle, it goes into if, and only if, horizontal speed is less than 0.1. And also we are grounded. Alright, let's give it a shot. Please work. Something's gonna be wrong. I can feel it.
That's the fun of coding.
Is he moving? Okay, he's doing the land. He's not... Ah, horizontal speed does not exist. That is because we did capital horizontal speed. Like that. That should work now. Run it back.
Don't get a save.
I shall not, once I see that this is working. Okay, he is moving. He's not transitioning into idle, though. Or is he? Is it just really slow? Sir, are you moving? Oh, he's constantly. I need this to not be able to transition into self. I see. There's a way to do that, right?
Probably.
Settings. Can transition to self? No. And this should be. Also can't transition to self. Okay. And one last try before we save. He's idling. Why is the scale 1.5? Why can't I make it 1? Oh well. He moves. He lands. We just need some jumpage. Heck yeah. Do I want to have it so that it has to complete first? Because it looks like it's not playing the full animation when moving. Okay. Looking good. Let's save it. Got the moving animation working and linked the idle and landing animations. Do you want to save? Yes. Woohoo! Whew. Well, I think that looks okay. Now, the jump animation. Jump animation. Create new clip. Character rising jump. Can we save that in the correct spot though, please? The heck? Why is it doing it here? Is this where I saved the last one? Assets? No. What the hell? Fine. Assets, animation, character animation, character animations. Okay. Bam. Okay, for this one, we want to start it with a rising like this. It's a tactic. I keep thinking your cat is by your microphone. And we'll also do I goes up and rotates.
There's no Fox on boards. That's so sad.
Aren't you in a whole Fox server?
Yeah. I'm in a bunch of Fox servers.
What does a fox sound like?
Like, laughing, but backwards.
Yeah.
Kind of like that, but faster.
Huh.
And more high pitched. Search it up. Trust me.
Fox sounds?
Mhm.
Fox sounds. Sounds foxes actually make. Oh.
Mhm. When they're happy, it sounds like laughing.
Not at all what I was expecting. Search up Finnegan Fox laughing?
Yes. Finnegan. Oh my gosh.
Finnegan.
Please show the video too.
Finnegan Fox laughing?
I love Finnegan.
happy, happy, happy boy.
It's so cute. It's almost a little too human sounding for me.
Oh.
You're a good boy.
That's adorable. Finnegan. So cute. Dum, bum, 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 bum. Rip Michaela, the girl in the video? What happened? Is she okay?
Wait, what are you saying to me right now? What are you telling me? What do you mean R.I.P.?
Something
Don't
happened?
tell me she died. Do not tell me she died.
Or got arrested?
I hope it's not that either. I hope that she's okay and you're just saying that to be funny.
Here's hoping.
Charlie.
Charlie say it and so.
So I will literally start sobbing. You know what?
Charlie?
Charlie!
You're killing us here.
I'm not going to turn it up because...
That's what was sad, what I was watching earlier.
What happened?
What happened? What happened, Charlie? I swear to God. Don't be sorry. Tell us what happened.
Tell us!
Ah! Oh, poop,
Really?
poop, snitching, soup kitchen. Come take a seat. There's a video on the Save a Fox channel.
Nothing.
Oh my God. You
I'm not
freaking
watching it.
tease.
I'm not watching it. I'm going to remain in a bliss until you tell me.
Serves it right. I just have to assume she's dead.
I refuse.
I shouldn't say it on stream, but she herself because of hate. No.
Look at the page? Why was she getting hated on?
Oh no. That sucks, man. What the heck?
Why was she getting hate? That makes no sense.
I mean, it does sound like she was doing some illegal stuff.
What do you mean?
Well, the video said there was a fundraiser for them to like break onto a fur farm and smash all the cages.
Oh.
Triple dog dared to become a cement mixer. There were snark pages? What's a snark page? I guess let's just try going with this. Character rise and jump. We'll just transition immediately into that when we jump. And I lost my job and my girlfriend. My Pokemon Go shiny count is now 2020. What? That's impossible. Holy crap. Well done. Damn.
Oh, I love you, babe, but it says they could buy all the cages and rescue the foxes and smash the cages.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Good.
Why does someone talk bad about a person like that?
Alright, let's see if this works. It's a page dedicated to talking bad about someone. Why would that exist? That's messed up. Hey, this is working. Oh yeah, this looks great. Does...
No, still could be.
Whee! Definitely need to... I see what's happening. I see what's happening, yeah. Can I make this... Oh, great.
I had enough of one.
But tell me, have you been experiencing great times within your day? Absolutely, I have. Look at this boy go. He's so jiggly. Except when he lands while moving. Then he feels a little bit stiff. But I can fix that. I think. Boing, boing, boing.
Boing, boing, boing.
And I should figure out what happens if he falls well. Yeah, he's gonna keep repeating that. Can I make a transition into itself? Okay, let's not do that. Interruption source. Can transition to self? I don't care about that. Is this meant to be a weird geometry dash? Right now, I'm just getting mechanics down and using placeholder sprites, so it does look kind of geometry dashy.
That's what I said.
Exit time.
Geometry boing is such a funny. Oh my god.
Geometry boing. I like that.
Also, babe, how long are you planning on streaming?
I'm about to wrap it up.
Okay. You've made a lot of progress.
Yeah, this is looking awesome, and it feels great to control. Remember, guys, patrons will get to playtest this very soon and give me feedback on how it feels. I'll probably...
Next game is trash, not enough foxes. There.
Hopefully the feedback is a little more helpful than that.
What do you mean? I literally told you how you could fix it.
I suppose you did. Pretty soon well, once I flesh out the mechanics a bit more, I'll try to get some actual sprites in here.
Like foxes? Perfect.
You know what? What type of game will this be? It's going to be a platformer, like a roguelike vertical platformer where you are a slime that when you kill things, you can like absorb their genes and get abilities from them. And then it's going to simulate like natural selection. I did think it sounded very similar to Kirby, but the gameplay will be different when I introduce the, like, oh, we fell. When I introduce the natural selection mechanics and stuff. But for now, I am going to say, added a jump animation. Note. Transition into landing while moving feels stiff. And we will check in. And we'll call it there. That's the first development live stream. Thanks for joining, guys.
Babe, wait, don't get the save. Just go ahead and save for me.
I just did. That's what this whole thing is the committing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's saving.
Oh, good. Cool, just make sure.
Thanks. It's always good to have someone remind me.
Got you.
Gap. All right. See you guys later. No stream on Friday.
Oh, welcome.
I've been invited to go to Ribfest with my parents.
Oh, so you are in Red Best.
Yeah, because no one else would go with me.
I would go.
I know you would, but you're not here, so.
I'm
Okay,
not
bye, guys.